राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ जनकल्याण समिति RSSJS, पुणे म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, सह्याद्री हॉस्पिटल, पुणे platform for COVID-19 response PPCR and Abasaheb Garware College have jointly started COVID Care Center. Isolation of patients with mild symptoms of corona or asymptomatic patients of corona is being done in this center. The center is run by RSSJS and is completely free of any charges. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha Janakalyan Samiti RSSJS has launched a program and named it as Samiti Samarth Bharat Punar Bandhani Yojana or Samarth Bharat Reconstruction Scheme. One of the vertical of this scheme is medical care. This COVID care center is being carried out under this vertical. The RSSJS, PMC, PPCR and Sahyadri Hospital have also shared their duties and responsibilities. Pune Municipal Corporation provides meals, snacks and tea for the patients. The RSSJS volunteers reach out to these patients and serve them food, preventive and prescribed medicine. PPCR supplies PPE kits, medical supplements, etc. Apart from this, regular cleaning, waste management and timely sanitization of the center is being done. Arrangements are monitored by RSSJS. The Sahyadri Hospital is screening the patients at the COVID care center on admission and provide medical support. The doctors visit the center on daily basis and check, test and guide the patients, supply medicines and ensure emergency medical treatment. Initially, a patient must fill up the form, report it to the doctor of Sahyadri. The doctors check the blood pressure, sugar, etc. Important parameters of the patients are also checked. Each patient is given an instruction sheet, oil, soap, paste, mask and toys for kids as needed at the time of admission. Apart from this, office registration and overall functioning of the center is being looked after by RSSJS. Patient counseling is also being done by the trained RSSJS volunteers with the help of a smartphone. For the physical and mental health of the patients, every day pranayama sessions are carried out and bhajans are sung on the loudspeaker in the morning and Ayurveda incense is burnt in the evening. At Abasaheb Garware College, all these patients have been accommodated in a total of 85 rooms in 3 hostels. On each floor of the center, 2 large dustbins, a sanitizer stand, a broom is placed at a workstation. The rooms, bathrooms and toilets are cleaned regularly. There are geysers for the patients in each building. Bedsheets, beds, pillows, steam machines are provided in each room. Patients are also urged to acknowledge their responsibility and maintain cleanliness. A volunteer has been appointed for each building and it is planned to distribute tea, snacks, meals to the patients as per the schedule and deliver the necessary materials to the unhealthy people in the room. Volunteers work in 3 shifts, morning to afternoon, evening and night. For each week, 20 volunteers are deployed and they work from Monday to Sunday in 3 shifts of 8 hours. New batch arrives on Sunday evening. Training is being conducted for each batch of volunteers. After working for a week, the earlier batch is kept in isolation for 7 days and can go home if each volunteer tests negative.